Did your Cummins ISX break down when showing signs of oil consumption? Constant DPF regeneration? Plugged oil filters? Or a sticking VGT actuator? Your ISX liners may have heavy bore polishing due to carbon packing. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Service your ISX the right way the first time. Install this APR in-frame rebuild kit for the Cummins ISX from Highway and Heavy Parts. This APR in-frame rebuild kit will help prevent increased oil consumption, helps increase oil and filter intervals, increase DPF life for long-lasting engine performance. The anti-polish scraper ring will prevent any carbon from contacting the cylinder walls. Otherwise, the piston will build up with carbon, causing polishing of the walls. We believe in only using new, high-quality parts in our Cummins ISX rebuild kits. Each part follows OE specifications and tolerances, so you're getting the best quality without breaking the bank. This kit includes CNC-turned pistons to precise tolerances. Piston pins are hardened and tempered for improved strength and wear resistance. Oil control rings are designed with precise tangential tension for proper oil control. Tri-metal construction main bearings for durability, and OEM gasket materials made properly for leak-free durability. Best of all, this APR in-frame rebuild kit comes with no core charge and support from our ASE certified technicians who are available to answer any of your questions from purchase to installation. With technical knowledge, quality products, fast shipping, and unbeatable customer service, Highway and Heavy Parts is the place to be. Backed by a 2-year unlimited mileage parts and labor warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. From America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.